Hello all, welcome to Pebbles. Myself Manmi presenting Mom's Diary to you. So the topic for today from our Mom's Diary is that how to keep our kids busy. Yes, how can we keep our kids busy? We all know that vacations are going. I have made one video what all activities kids can do in summer vacation, but in our daily routine also this happen that kids are like want to just go out of the home and they just want to play and they just want to go and play with their friends, and they are like we are bored, and every time we can't take them out, and every time children can't come at our place, or every time our children can't go on some other place to play. So what we can do? So my very first tip is that try to engage your child in some activity. Now what type of activity we can engage him or her? Now if you are cooking, so ask him or her if he's small that pass me this, pass me that. Okay, tell me, you stand here and tell me what are all the things you like. Try to talk to him. If you're busy also try to talk to him. Engage, make his mind divert to some other place, like okay, help me in cleaning the hall, help me in folding the bed sheets. So he will be engaged in some other activity. So try to engage him some other activity. Next tip for the day is that if your kid is little big, if he and she can write, ask him or her to write what happened in your day. Yes, if he says that I am getting bored, ask him or write what happened in your day. With this, he will have a habit of writing and he will be engaged in some or other thing. My third tip is that, yes, to develop the habit of writing, give your child some colorful book and some colorful pen or pencil and ask him to write. With this, what all he wants, what all he needs, with this will help him in future also to become a better person, and he will be involved in writing the things, and in school also he will have habit of writing. My other tip is that if your child says that I'm getting bored, you can try to develop his motor skills. Like how you will develop that? You can take kidneygrams and some other pulses or dal, anything you can take, and mix them up in some bowl and ask your child to sort that in different bowls. With this, his skills will also be developed, and he will also be engaged in some activity which will help him a lot. You can also give him some colorful papers and ask him to do some craft work so that he can be engaged in that. You can teach him what craft work he can do without scissors or something, like folding the paper, making a wall hanging, with ice cream sticks how to make a wall hanging. All this you can teach your kids. And another habit or another tip which I would like to give you is that do develop the habit of reading newspaper and magazines. Yes, if your kid like kids magazine, let him read that. If he like to read books of some story books, please give him books to read and develop this habit, which is very necessary for future. I hope so. If he will develop this habit of reading and writing in future also, he will love this, which is very important. And if you want to have a healthy lifestyle in your child, do develop the habit of walking. Yes, take your child for an evening walk or a morning walk if he says that I am bored. After dinner, take your child for a walk. He will be tired and he will sleep fast. Rather, he will leave all the mobile phones and everything, and definitely he will fall asleep fast, and you will also like, as he will not touch your mobile phones. So please try and develop these habits in your child, and I hope so these tips will be useful for you. And if you liked it, do like, comment and share on this video, and do let me know, do you find these tips useful or not? Thank you. And in all my videos I say be positive and be happy. And while dealing with kids, always remember you have to be very much positive and happy. Bye bye. Take care.